Today, Brownsville Fire came in and they did an orientation for my EMT students that is required for them to go out during their clinical rotations. And also Brownsville Fire brought in a drone as part of a presentation. So in about 4 months, the students are going to test for their national certification to be an EMT. So the drone program is not anything separate, but part of the EMT program.
Nowadays, with the fire departments and emergency rescue, the drones and the drone technology plays a big part in rescues, not only on fires, but also EMS and any kind of medical emergency as well. In 2016, when we started, there was no manual to starting a program. It was the first time the FAA allowed civilians to test for a drone pilot certification and legally fly them for business, commercial, or emergency services. So we worked with other agencies throughout the country through a Facebook forum, of all things, a private Facebook forum, and we put our heads together and we were able to establish rules and regs and protocols for the drone systems. So now it's more common to have their drone systems, so you'll see them a lot more often now.
This is something that I really wanted to do because yes, the typical answer of helping people, but also I like the action, I like the idea of being hands-on, and I love interacting with people, being able to show people the time of day and compassion. And I could definitely see myself doing this as an adult later on, using my certification that I get here to further my career.